Creative leaders see opportunity to solve problems and imagine a world that others don't. The top 52 creative leaders. Innovation, vision, progressiveness, originality, and resourcefulness are all characteristics of successful creative leaders. Creativity was ranked the most important leadership quality for success in business. This is why here at Skilltivity, we have compiled and curated the top 52 creative leaders today. Coming in at number 2, we have Elon Musk of Tesla and SpaceX. Elon Musk is on this list in the number 2 spot for envisioning an electric future.
This is Elon Musk, Tesla's co-founder and CEO. Elon is an inventor and a maverick entrepreneur, one of America's youngest billionaires.
I like exploring, I like technology, I like creating things that have never been seen before or even imagined before.
He is a genuine Silicon Valley success story. In the mid-1990s, Elon set up a small internet company. By 2002, he'd sold PayPal for $1.5 billion. Next, he founded private rocket company SpaceX. It's all part of Elon's life mission.
When I was in college, I tried to think about, well, what are the areas that would most affect the future of humanity? So the 3 things were the internet, making life multiplanetary, and the third being sustainable energy. So that's what really ties together my companies, is that sort of thought from 20 years ago.
The Model S is to lead their revolution. It's to be an electric car unlike any other. A family sedan that can go from 0 to 100 in under 6 seconds, and further on a single charge than any other electric production car. Designed to match the top gasoline competitors.
With the Model S, we're taking things to the next level. It's a full-size sedan, so it's competing in the premium segment, along with, say, a BMW or an Aston Martin. Driving a gasoline car, it's going to feel like yesterday. Driving this car is driving the future.
I love Teslas. Not only do I love the car, I love the idea of getting away from gas, going into an electric future. I like the thought of reimagining how we've done things in the past. Elon Musk has been on the forefront of that, and he's really one of the great minds of our time and one of the great entrepreneurs that's ever lived. Thank you for watching Skilltivity's Top 52 Creative Leaders. And as you follow our curated list, I provided a resource for you. And it's to help you develop your own creative leadership skills. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Creative Leadership Success. And you can get it for free by clicking on the link below in the description of this video. Also, please subscribe to Skilltivity. We've got videos coming, and you want to make sure to follow us as we keep going on this journey. Hit the bell to get notifications of new videos that come. Just know that Skilltivity, we're here to help you move forward in advancing your creative skills. We're always aiming for that. So from me to you, from Carrington to you, see you soon.